These days, it seems you can't walk through a bookstore without bumping into a book or magazine pointing out the negative consequences of climate change. Everything from the hottest years on record to ruining astronomy can be tied to climate change. Now, some new science lays another potential problem at climate change's feet. Earth is retaining more than twice as much heat annually as it was 15 years ago. A team from NASA and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, found that Earth's energy imbalance doubled between 2005 and 2019. The energy imbalance is simple to understand but complex in its causes and impacts. It is the difference between the amount of energy absorbed by Earth and the amount of energy emitted by it. Any increase in the energy imbalance means the overall Earth system is gaining energy, causing it to heat up. To quantify this change, the team used data from two separate sources: NASA's clouds and the Earth's Radiant Energy System, CERES, and a system run by NOAA called Argo. CERES specializes in how much energy is entering and leaving Earth. Most of the energy entering is in the form of solar radiation, while energy leaving the system could take a variety of forms, including some of that solar radiation bouncing off of white clouds. Argo, on the other hand, estimates the rate of temperature increase for the oceans. Data from both sensing platforms pointed to the same conclusions: that Earth was absorbing more energy than it was emitting, that energy is then stored by the ocean, and the annual amount of energy stored has increased dramatically in the recent past. First, understanding what caused the increase in absorbed heat in order to potentially mitigate it in the near future would be helpful. The researchers cite two main causes of the increasing energy imbalance. First was a decrease in sea ice and clouds, the white surfaces of which increase the planet's albedo, and therefore the amount of energy that is reflected back out into space. The second cause was an increase in both greenhouse gases caused by human emissions and water vapor, which can prevent specific types of radiation from escaping, increasing the overall energy amount of the system. So our own emissions are making it harder for heat to escape Earth. The consequences of such a change in the energy imbalance are slightly less clear, as is the case with much climate science. There is a chance that this heat-trapping effect could speed the melting of the polar ice caps, thereby speeding up the rise in sea levels that many scientists fear will occur over the next 100 years.